Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about an important tool in Python, lists. A list is like a box where you can store many items in order. For example, think of a list as a shopping list. It can have fruits, vegetables, or anything you want. Each item in a list has a position, called an index. The first item's index is 0, the second is 1, and so on. Lists help you keep things organized and easy to find. In Python, lists are flexible and can store any kind of data, numbers, strings, or even other lists. Indices in Python lists are quite useful when we need to access a single member of the list. We can access a member of the list by using its index, like this. We are using index 0, that points to first member of the list, apple. And we are storing its value in a variable named fruit. Indexes also allow us to change or modify the value of the list at a certain position. Here we are modifying the list at index 1 and saving a new value blueberry so that the old value will be overwritten. You can delete an item from a list using either its index or its value. Here is how we delete an item from the list by using its index. And here is how we delete or remove an item from the list by using its value. You might be thinking now, what about adding a new value to the list? Here is how we do it. We add a new item by using append method. Just provide the new item value inside the parentheses. Now, let's talk about slicing a list. Imagine you have a long list of items, but you only want to focus on a few of them. Python makes this very easy using slicing. Slicing allows you to extract a portion of the list without modifying the original list. The basic format for slicing is this. List, and in the square brackets, starting index, ending index. Let's break it down. First, we create an example list, numbers. In the first example, we are slicing the list from 1 to 4. But here 4 is not included. So actually it is 4 minus 1, that is 3. In the second example we are using one more colon and giving a value 2. This is a step. So it will choose every second item and skipping one element in between. In the third example, slice will start from the very start, that is index 0, and go on to index 3 minus 1 since 3 is not included. In the last example we are omitting the ending index, so it will start from the third and go on to the last index. Key points to remember about slicing: the original list is not changed. Slicing creates a new list. You can omit start or end values. If you leave out the start, Python assumes it's 0. If you leave out the end, Python assumes it's the length of the list. Negative indices work too. You can count backwards from the end of the list using negative numbers, for example. That's it for today. We covered lists, tool that makes Python super powerful. Practice creating your own, and you'll be coding like a pro in no time. See you in the next episode.